So we was Yo, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another banger, another vlog. And as you most know, if you're new to the channel, you're probably not gonna know what I'm gonna say right now. But if you saw the past vlog, we got a new wheel setup, and basically the wheels were used. They were pretty much new. I'm the second owner, so yo, wait. My bad. Damn, this allergies. Alright, my bad. These allergies. I was painting the new apartment that I gotta show y'all, but in another vlog. And I got a little bit of allergies. Alright, we back, bro. My bad. These allergies. I was painting the new apartment, and I gotta show you the new apartment, but that's gonna be on another vlog. But these allergies with the paint and all that shit got me fucked up. But like I was saying, I'm the third owner. I said second. My bad. I'm the third owner of these wheels. These wheels are practically new, but I didn't like the machine, like silver look on the lips. So if you are OG on the channel, you may know that I really like that chrome look on the lips of the wheels. So I made a blog of how to polish their aluminum lips and make it look chrome. And what I'm doing right now with the new wheels, yes, sir. Fucking chrome the world, man. Sure. God damn. So this, bro, the process of doing aluminum machine wheels with clear, since they're new, this shit had so many layers of clear, bro. I had to sand. I'm not gonna explain how to do it because I got a blog explaining step by step. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want to go and jump into that blog and learn how to do it. So these were pretty much new, and I had to polish and sand like a motherfucker, bro. Like, you'll see sandpaper all over the place right now. I got a mess, but wheels are looking spicy. So this one and this one are basically ready. This shit is sure. So those two are ready, but I still gotta finish this one. I gotta take it out, and in some spots I actually missed. If you can notice right here, I gotta resand this and resand some parts of the wheel to actually, this one is ready as well. So basically, I got the two rears are done, and I got to work on the front now. I'm going to drop a couple B-rolls and all that. I think the homie is pulling up on me. He's going to help. He was helping me yesterday. Papi, el pan Esteban me estaba ayudando con los aros. So, bro, we big lit, bro. I don't know if we're going to see rollers of the car on this vlog. I don't know, bro, what is going to happen. But I know that these wheels look totally different, bro. I'm gonna slide a picture right here. Like, the wheels were this color, and look at the difference, bro. So all these past days, all I've been doing is sanding, polishing with the wheels, and working on moving into my new apartment. So yeah, gang, I'm swap that wheel that is ready for this one. I gotta sand that one, and I'll come back to you in a second. Dile. Yo, gang, it's the next day, and y'all may be wondering why the fuck this nigga didn't record what he was doing. Basically, bro, like I said, I was polishing the wheels, and it's boring content, so I was not gonna record me. I'm gonna leave, like I said earlier, I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you want wheels like this. But car is officially back outside. Sure. Bro, shit shining like. So we was working on the fitment and the wheels, and as I still gotta do a couple hands, but this shit is insane, like too shiny, bro. This method is worth it on all aluminum wheels. So basically now we're running a spacer up front. On the other setup, we was running a little spacer, so it's a bigger spacer on these wheels, and 1-inch spacer on the rears. And I still gotta do a couple tweaks on the setup, but I'm happy. Look, bro, car's looking insane. And I still, bro, these are shining, but I still gotta do a couple more hands on them. You know what I'm saying? So we was just chilling. This is the first drive of the car with the new setup. Like I said, I didn't record me polishing the wheels, but I'm gonna leave the link on the description of the video showing step by step how to polish and get these results on any wheel, because it works on any wheel. And nothing, bro, we're chilling with the gang. And a couple, I gotta go to the crib, get the daily, go to Walmart, buy a couple of stuff for the new apartment. But I wanted to peek and update the blog, because I've been all around as well on this one. My bad. But it's lit, bro. Shout out to the homie that been helping me polish the wheels. Sheesh. Yo, I'm gonna drop a couple of little B-rolls, quick B-rolls. Yo, nice ass day from the mountains. Yo, gang, it's the next day. Car made it so safe to the crib, and I say so safe, bro. The new wheel setup is insane. I don't know if it's the tire brand that these wheels have. They're a little bit wider. Like, I have a little bit more of tire wear running on the floor, and I actually did 1 or 2 more degrees up front of camber. And how do you explain to me that I did more camber up front and I got more tire wear? So that means that the tire brand is a little bit more beefy or meaty, you know what I'm saying? Shush! But car is driving insane. This shit's pretty dirty too. I'm not gonna cap. This shit needs to wash ASAP, like. Yo, but car drove insanely good yesterday when I went outside. I still got to do a couple tweaks, like I was saying earlier. A couple more polished on the wheels, but bro, these came out insane, and the car is, bro, new wheel. I'm in love with the new wheel setup. This shit's too good, bro. Yo, and another thing, I think we're gonna change front lip. Why? I really love the car, how it looks with this lip. But bro, we already ate it. Nah, bro, this shit is starting to crack. And this shit is not gonna last too much. You know what I'm saying? So I think tomorrow I'm gonna go with a homie and pick up a new front lip. But it's actually a lip that I had way before in a couple past setups. I'm gonna slide a picture right here. That's basically the new lip I'm gonna mount. I love that. That's the OG lip that is supposed to go on that bumper. So we're going back, running it back, and we're gonna run the OG front lip back again. I'm not gonna throw this one away. I'm still gonna ride it for a couple. Yo, cat in the middle on the way. But yeah, gang, this vlog is gonna end up right here. Before ending the vlog, I'm gonna drop some crazy ass B-rolls of the wheels in the car, just because the sun is hitting right now and this shit looks insanely good. Even though the car's, bro, it's dirty as fuck. Like, I can't even draw on the paint. Like, this shit's dirty right now, and this shit's still hitting. Yo, gang, but this vlog is gonna end up right here after those fire ass B-rolls of a dirty ass Stan's car. Cause I'm not gonna cap, this shit is, bro, filthy right now. Nah, bro, this shit is too motherfucking dirty. I gotta wash this shit ASAP. But nothing, man. If you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Super thankful for the amount of love I've been receiving on the past vlogs. I was a little inactive, but I'm back on track, back on motherfucking fire ass vlogs. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share the video with the homies, drop a comment. Bro, I'm trying to achieve that 100 likes per vlog. So if you made it to the end, bro, don't forget to leave a like, comment, bro, anything, bro. That shit really, like I be saying in a lot of vlogs, that shit really motivates me and kind of pushes me to do a lot more content when I see like a lot of people interacting and commenting. So drop a comment, subscribe, share the video with your grandma, mother, dad, father, sister-in-law, bro, with everyone. And nothing, bro, new setup. First mob testing the new setup, because we was basically testing and watching if we didn't have like rubbing problems and all that. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.
Me dicen Andrés, ¿cómo es que tú le haces? ¿Cuál es la receta? Yo quiero una puta que se vaya a fuego y me deje enrolarle las tetas. No me ronquen en redes, cabrones, que al frente de mí ninguno me te feca. Yeah, tú eres fake, feca, feca, a ti nadie te la capea. Una puta vestida de Birkin, y sus amigas están twerking. Todo este cash I'm flipping, todo este soda bacon. Sipping on a walk, bad boys, we don't give a fuck. Pastilla amarilla me tiene en camilla, esa puta me tiene stuck. Que lo que tú quieres, que lo tengo en stock. Dime dónde estás, ya yo estoy con el plug, nigga.